Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to install a Laravel project on our local host. So let's get started. For that, let's go to a directory and right click on it and open the directory in a terminal. And now we have to put a command here, and that is composer create -project Laravel then our project name, that is, in this case I am putting my app here and hit enter, and we can see a directory with the name my app is created and Laravel is installing. Alright, so Laravel is installed. Let's go to our project and open up in a VS Code editor. So just drag it here and open it via VS Code editor, and open up the terminal, and we can serve the Laravel project in this way: php artisan serve. So if we copy this link and open in our browser, so we can see Laravel version 11 is installed. In this way we can easily set up our Laravel project in our local machine. Another thing to note: to set up database, if we want to choose MySQL, then we have to have the XAMPP software that we all know. So open up the XAMPP software, download it first on your computer, and then open up and click on manage and start the Apache server and MySQL database. Alright, so both of them are running. So minimize it and let's go to our database. So localhost/phpMyAdmin and create a new database. So give it a name, my app, create it from here, and let's connect the database to our Laravel application. Let's go to our application.env file and scroll down. Alright, so here we can see our database connection is SQLite. So we want to connect it to our MySQL database. So let's change it to MySQL, and let's uncomment this part. And for the MySQL XAMPP server, everything is perfect here. We have to put our database name from here. We put the database name to my app. We can see from here. Put it here, my app. Let's click on save, and now we have a complete Laravel project setup with our database connection in our local machine. In this way you can easily do it. I hope you guys found this process helpful, and let me know if there is any questions. I will try to answer in comment sections. Thank you so much.